Most of you are spending hours scrolling on LinkedIn and not getting jobs, but it is because you are searching the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to search through LinkedIn and get jobs. Today, I'm going to show you the Boolean search method and how to get VA jobs with it. Before we dive in, I already made a video on LinkedIn optimization. So go on my channel and watch that first before you watch this one. When you optimize your profile, it makes the Boolean search method works better for you. So what exactly is Boolean search? According to New York Library, Boolean searches allow you to combine words and phrases using the word and or not, known as Boolean operators, to limit, broaden, or define your search. So that's what Boolean search means. So instead of searching for just virtual assistant jobs and it will bring like 20,000 virtual assistant job posted around the world for you, you can put that virtual assistant in quotation along with remote to bring the perfect job with low competition for you on LinkedIn. So using the Boolean operators, you can include and to make two things come out in your search together. You can use or to make things that are in relation together to come out in your search. And the third one is not. You can use not to filter something out of your search method. So once you understand these four operators, you can do anything in LinkedIn search to get job easily. Quotation and or and not. Now, let's go through the practical steps so I can show you how you can implement the LinkedIn search to your advantage to get clients easily. So let's put this into practice. I'm going to head over to job section on LinkedIn. So on a normal basis, most people search by just putting something like this. And they start looking for jobs. But that's not how it works. So they filter to jobs and start competing with high demand, high competitive jobs. So let's do it the Boolean search way. Using virtual assistants in quotes. Then you include and you also put the remote in quotes. As you can see the difference now. So then you filter to posts. After filtering to posts, you sort by latest match, then show results. Look at this. We are hiring AI intern, posted 2 minutes ago. So you will see different opportunities here. You can easily reach out to the person directly. You can write your subject and write your cover letter. You can include your cover letter, make it short and simple. Why you want the job and message them. So if there is no way to message them, maybe you don't have the LinkedIn Premium, in the job post they posted, they will write something like this: send your resume to this email. Then you send your resume to, they already gave you the subject for the job. So now let's go back. This is another one. Hiring for virtual administrative assistant, remote USA. posted 3 minutes ago. So here you can easily find jobs that are recently posted and apply to them before a lot of people does. All you have to do is filter the posts, sort to latest, and get hot hiring leads. Next, let's find people who are actively hiring now, not job posts that have been sitting for weeks, but real-time leads. So now, instead of job section, I'm going to search in the post section. I will type quotes virtual assistant, put virtual assistant in quotes and in capital letter and hashtag hiring, then search. What do you see? We are hiring. So remember, I've already filtered this to posts and latest posts. We are hiring. This is from the Philippines. If you are open to future opportunities or know someone who might be, I would love to connect. So here you will see people that are hiring. You see, now hiring not. So that's what you will be seeing. You can apply to them as fast as possible. This is just posted 12 minutes ago. So now let's do the searching by skill, which is the fourth part of this Boolean search method I will talk about. So this works by searching skills in your niche. Instead of searching for the general topic virtual assistant, you can search for things like project management, calendar management, and things like that. So now let's put project management into action. Let's say project management and search. Now, this person is looking for associate resource coordination. Says apply here. Posted now. Even not 1 minute ago, this is posted now. This is another one. Hiring senior Rails telecoms engineer. Posted now. So a lot of jobs, you will see a lot of jobs posted now. We are hiring, we are hiring. So you can easily apply for jobs here. Even if the job title is something different to your niche, you will still get it. A lot of relevant opportunities get missed simply because they don't use the exact job title you are searching for. Most job hiring managers don't post and include, let me say, most of them don't even include virtual assistants. Most of them can write something like executive support specialist. So you also have to know keywords that are in relation to your niche that clients can put into their hiring posts. So, and that is it about the LinkedIn Boolean search method. Three methods of Boolean searches that can completely change how you get clients. 1. Combine your role with remote in quotation to filter out on-site jobs. 2. Search hashtag like hashtag hiring to get fresh lead and filter to latest. 3. Search by skills instead of job titles to get jobs you will otherwise miss. So try this today and let me know in the comments how many relevant jobs come up for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and share it with someone who might need it. And I will see you in my next video.